Welcome to Bosco Vazhikaatti, a place for career guidance, training and job placement for the past 29 years. So, today we are going to see how to master in lookups. That is, the first one is VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is nothing but vertical lookup. What is the purpose of VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP is an Excel function that can pull out the data from any sheet. Even from the multiple sheets, it can pull out the data. So, based on the primary key. Primary key is nothing but a clue. So, what is primary key? It is very unique for each and every record. It avoids a duplicate results. It helps to return the correct value. The primary key always be in the first. So here we have to see it starts from the leftmost column in the table array. So syntax of VLOOKUP: vertical lookup, lookup value, table array, column index number and its range. So range has two types. One is false, another one is true. We will see the parameter of lookup value, table array, column index number and range. So these are the parameters. Lookup value, that is the value to search for the first column of the table. Table array is nothing but the complete spreadsheet has to be selected and the cells containing the data to be searched. So we have to select the complete table. So then only we can pull out the exact data. Using the column index number, the number in the table array from which to retrieve the data. So which column we need to retrieve. So from the primary, using the primary key, we have to retrieve the value or the column which we need. So another one is range lookup. So range lookup is an optional parameter specifying whether to find an exact value or approximate value. Here we have two parameters. One is false, another one is true. False will be retrieving the exact match, whereas true will be retrieving the approximate match. For an example, we have taken an employee sheet. So in this employee sheet, we need a designation of the employee or a salary of the employee, or we need the date of joining of the employee. So we have to use a unique identifying number, that is ISSN. ISSN is nothing but International Standard Serial Number. We call it as unique identifying number. This is also called as primary key number, which has to be started from the leftmost column. So let us work with the Excel practically. So we have taken a practical example of employee master table. Here I have given you employee ID, name of the employee, department, designation, salary. So here you can see the employee IDs. So employee IDs are the unique numbers. It has merged with text as well as integers. So name, department, designation, everything is under the text format. Salary with the integers. So we are going to see the department sheet. We are going to pull out employee name, department, designation as well as salary from the employer master sheet. Is equal to, it's an inbuilt function, VLOOKUP, open the brackets. As it is an inbuilt function, the formula will be displayed down. The parameters can be seen down. So my lookup value is a unique identifier, that is the primary key, comma, the table array, starting from employee ID, I am selecting till salary, comma, I need name of the employee, that is second column. The column index number is 2, comma, the range is approximate or exact. So now I am going to take approximate. So you can see the formula, the name of the person is retrieved from the employee sheet. You can just pull out the data will be retrieved from the master sheet to the department table. So the next one I need department. The same formula, VLOOKUP, open the brackets, select the unique identifier number, that is called primary key. Going for the master sheet, the formula will be displayed on the formula bar. Selecting the employee ID till salary, comma. Now my column index number is 3, comma, HR. So you can just retrieve the data. Once again, let me go with the designations. VLOOKUP, open the brackets. My lookup value is unique identifier number. My table array, going for the master sheet, selecting the data which I need as a table array, comma. So now the designation is in the column number 4. That is, column index number is 4. Exact match. So this is how VLOOKUP helps to find out a clue. We will be having a small thing. So when the answer is not applicable here, it will be showing as a hashtag NA, not applicable. So the primary key will be the clue value to find out the other details from the master sheets. So where it fails, we can see how the master sheet works with the department sheets. And now we will go to see whether the VLOOKUP fails in which scenarios. So going for the master sheet, let me take out the name of the employees, lookup value. Suppose if I need the name of the employee will be my primary key, the employee ID has to be retrieved from the data. So is it not possible? Because the VLOOKUP will be working from the left column to right column. It does not work from the right column to left column. Let us see with the formula. Here it fails. So because we are taking VLOOKUP, open the brackets, my lookup value will be the name of the person. My table array will be from the name of the person. So I cannot move from name of the person, that is the column number C to B, I cannot move. Even if I move from the table array, if I select the table array from B to F, the formula employee ID will be in the first column. Name of the person will be the second column. Let me go with the 1 and check out whether it works or not. It's not applicable. So we have to understand the VLOOKUP table works from the left side to right side, but it fails from the right side to left side. It works with the second point, it works with the unique identifier numbers, that is a primary key. Even we take a text number, it works. But it works only from the left side to right side. I hope you have understand the VLOOKUP, how it works and where it fails, in which scenarios VLOOKUP will be failed. I hope you have understand what is VLOOKUP, how we can use VLOOKUP, in which kind of scenarios it works to retrieve the data, and which kind of scenarios it fails. Hope you understand well. Thank you.